So today in the morning, I woke up to a number of messages from friends, family, fans, well-wishers, all alike, wishing me for Women's Day, and they were like, "Happy Women's Day!" and "Women are stardust. Women can do anything. Women are strong. Women are that. Women are this." And after the fourth or fifth message, I was like, "Are we though? Are we stardust? Can we do anything? Can we do anything in this world without being objectified or sexualized? Like anything. Everything we do is objectified. Everything we do is sexualized. Everything, like from the way we eat, to the way we drink, to the way we stand, to the way we sit, to the way we walk, to the way we, I don't know, yawn, to the way we flip our hair. Everything is sexualized. And we become complacent in this since we are very young, and we ourselves have normalized it in our head. I remember as a small girl when I used to go to school, I used to carry my bag with books and stuff, but I would always have a couple of books at hand so that I could just, wear it across my chest like this. And it's become a habit. Since we are young, we have been taught to protect ourselves and treat our bodies differently. We have, in a way, become ashamed of our bodies. I know I have been. And it's been hard because this realization didn't hit me until very recently that I'm actually ashamed of my body. It's not that I'm worried about others' gaze or how they are looking at me or how I'm being objectified or sexualized, but I'm just ashamed of what I have, because it's somewhere we are all made to believe that all this that's happening, we are responsible for it, while we are not. So yeah, as women, this whole thing makes me so angry. People, my friends and family and people I just meet, new people that I meet, they're like, how do you deal with all the negative comments? And because I'm a woman, most of the negative comments I get is basically character assassination, slut shaming, or again objectifying and sexualizing everything. And I just tell them I'm used to it. It doesn't bother me. But it does bother me, not the comments by itself, but the fact that I'm used to it. How sad is that? When did I get used to this thing? Then I realized that I have been used to it since a very young age. I have been used to this whole thing since a very young age because we have been conditioned to believe that this is how the society is going to look at us. And we have been conditioned to believe that as women, we just need to get used to it. It's been normalized. This whole thing has been normalized. You know what is not normalized? A woman being comfortable in her own body. That has not been normalized. How funny is that? As a woman, I can't enjoy my own body without being shamed for it. But me being ashamed of my body is completely normalized. Like, that's how it's supposed to be. Do you know when we girls look at clothes, we're like, oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that skirt, it's got like little butterflies on it. I know that me and my friends, when we go shopping and we see a really pretty bikini or anything, we're like, oh my god, it's got stars on it. We're gonna look like a mermaid with it. But that's not the case, is it? Because should we wear it, we are made to feel so ashamed of it. And the glares that we get, the looks, the way people look at us, the way we are shamed for it, it takes our innocence away. Little by little, this objectification and sexualization just chips away at our innocence. And for those, I'm sure there will be some who will be jumping with joy right now just to wait to say, you're objectified because of the kind of post you put. You all can go jump, seriously, because this has been happening to me personally since I was a child. And this is a story of several women out there. Most of them won't even realize it because it's been normalized to such an extent. It's taken me this long to do it. And I consider myself pretty woke, but still it's taken me so long to actually think about what my life has been like. This has been a very difficult post for me to make, and I've had to take little breaks in between. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to say is happy Women's Day. And ladies, drink more water, moisturize your skin, take care of your hair. Because God forbid, because of all the pressure the society puts on you to be beautiful, to be young, to be sweet, to be motherly, to be decent, at the same time fun, you can't wear too many clothes, then you're called an auntie. You can't wear too little, then you're called a slut. And to be outgoing, but at the same time, you have to you have to be all the things at the same time. And the kind of pressure the society puts on you, God forbid, in the middle of all this pressure, you get a wrinkle or a gray strand of hair. Then you're just old and you're written off. Because your beauty is your biggest weapon. This is what we're all taught, right? The color of your skin, the texture of your hair, how bright your eyes sparkle, wear your makeup properly, but not too much because then you'll be judged. Just enough to make it look like you're wearing makeup, but not really. For all those who made it to the end of the post, thank you for listening to my rantings. And I don't know, this is a problem of perception. This is a problem that is so deeply imbibed in us that I think we as individual men and women need to take a stand together to change this. Because we women deserve to live on this planet just as much as anybody else, and we deserve the same amount of respect just as much as anybody else. And the freedom not to hate our bodies, the freedom to not be ashamed of it, the freedom to not somewhere be ashamed of our gender itself. So I hope this changes. It probably will. And happy Women's Day again. Ladies, we are tough as nails, that is the truth. And I can't believe we lived through all of this and we still managed to find the strength in us to smile and to give and to love unconditionally, and that too. I can't believe all this doesn't get us down every day. How do we get out of bed? It's amazing. So, I love you all. And to a couple of my fans and followers who are going to get very worried that I'm crying, don't worry guys. This is just me getting emotional about a very important subject. And I know I'm a very positive person. That's the kind of image, that's what I want to give out as well. But I just think that sometimes you just need to have a serious conversation. And thankfully I have a platform where I can do this, and that's all thanks to you. So don't worry, I'm perfectly fine. I'm just feeling very emotional about it this year, but I'm gonna be okay in a couple of hours. I love you all.